everyone. I am Prachi Sharma, a student of Rajki Engineering College, Sonbhat, from Electronics Department. I am currently doing an internship on embedded system at Emertxe. I am here along with my team members Ritambara Singh, Himanshu Singh to give a presentations on the topics microwave oven simulator. These are the contents which we have learned during our internship and the topics which we have covered during internship. Firstly, we have learned about C. What is conditional statements, loop and operators? What is function used in C and strings? After that, we will learn about embedded system and microcontrollers. We will learn some tools as MPLAB X IDE, XC8 compiler and PICSIMLab. After that, we will give multiple quizzes during the internship. Now we will talk about what is embedded system. Firstly, we study about why suggest name embedded. Embedded means something that is attached to another thing. An embedded system can be thought of as a computer hardware system having software embedded in it. An embedded system is a microcontroller or microprocessor based system which is designed to perform a specific task. Embedded system is a combination of computer hardware and software designed for a specific functions. There are some examples of embedded system: automobile, mobile phones and medical equipments. There are some types of embedded system. First, stand-alone embedded system, real-time embedded system, network embedded system, mobile embedded system, and last, hybrid embedded system. There are the block diagram of the embedded system. Firstly, we use sensor. What is sensor? It's measure the physical quantity and convert it to an electrical signal which can be read by an observed or any electronic instruments. Sensor store the measured quantity to the memory. Now we will study ADA converter. ADA is an analog to digital converter. The analog signal sent by the sensor into the digital signal. Now we will study what is processor. Processor process the data to measure the output and store it to memory. Let's talk about what is DA converter. A digital to analog converter converts the digital data fed by the processor to analog data. What is actuator? An actuator compares the output given by the ADA converter to the actual output stored in it and store the approved output. These are the some introductions of the embedded system. Now we will study what is C. C programming language is a general purpose operating system. C is most popular language because of generated efficient binary code. Efficiency is very high and C is easy to understand. Now we will study why we'll learn C language in embedded system. For embedded C is specific compiler that are able to generate particular hardware. Microcontroller based output are used. Popular compiler to execute an embedded C language programs are Green Hill software. C code get compiled into raw binary executable which can be directly loaded into memory and execute. These are the some basic introductions to the C language. Now we will study what is microcontroller and microprocessor. Microcontroller is a comprised components like memory, peripherals and most importantly a processor. Microcontroller is designed for a specific task or to perform the assigned task repeatedly. Once the program is embedded on the microcontroller chip, it cannot be alert easily and you may need some special tools to return it. Now we will study what is microprocessor. The microprocessor is useful in very intensive process. It's only consists of CPU, but there are many other parts need to work with the CPU to complete the process. Microprocessors are not made for a specific task, as well as they are useful where the tasks are complex and tricky like the development of software games. Now we will study what is the difference between microcontroller and microprocessor. Microprocessor is useful in personal computer, whereas microcontroller is useful in an embedded system. The microprocessor use an external buses to interface to RAM and ROM. Other hand, microcontroller use an external controlling buses. These are some introductions about microcontroller and microprocessor. Now, I want to thanks to all the Emertxe team member for giving me this wonderful opportunity to present myself and learn brief about embedded system. Now I will hands to Ritambara Singh who will further tell you about our project.
Hello everyone, I am Ritambara Singh, student of Rajki Engineering College, Sonbhadra, from Electronics Department. I am currently doing an internship on Embedded System at Emertxe. I am here along with my team members Prachi Sharma and Himanshu Singh to give a presentation on the topic microwave oven stimulation. First, we will talk about what is microwave oven. Microwave oven basically heat food using microwaves. It is basically a form of electromagnetic radiation similar to the radio waves. There are several modes in various microwave oven, but we have implemented 4 modes in our project: micro mode, grill mode, convection mode and start mode. The microwave oven embedded system interfaces with the external environment by means of several sensors and actuators, supports a simple user interface, keeps track of time and provides centralized control that necessitate the design of a state machine. As the microwave oven is an embedded system, the design approach benefits from starting with the system engineering perspective of the total hardware-software system. Now this is the block diagram of microwave oven. The microwave oven has input buttons for selecting cooking time, start, minute plus, time of day and cancel, as well as numeric keypad. It also has a display to show the cooking time left and the time of day. In addition, the oven has microwave heating element for cooking food, a door sensor to sense when the door is open and a weight sensor to detect if there is an item in the oven. Now we will talk about the working of microwave oven. Microwave oven works on a principle of conversion of electromagnetic energy into thermal energy. Electromagnetic energy refers to the radiation comprising an electrical field and magnetic field oscillating perpendicular to each other. The water molecules present inside our food products go under a similar phenomenon when they come in contact with microwave radiations heating the food from inside out. Microwaves are electromagnetic radiations with frequencies between 300 MHz and 300 GHz. The corresponding wavelengths ranging from 0.9 meter to 0.0009 meter respectively. In most of the ovens, the microwave used is of frequency 2.24 GHz. The frequency of microwave oven is well below any natural resonance in an isolated water molecule, and in liquid water those resonances are so smudged out that they are barely noticeable anyway. Now we will talk about the project requirements. Both PicGenios, MPLAB X IDE, XC8 compiler and PICSIMLab. These are the two software tools which we have used in our project to implement our project. MPLAB X IDE and PicSimLab. MPLAB X IDE, we have used this for our coding, and PicSimLab, we have used this for the stimulation of our project. Timer and matrix keypad. Timer is an important application in any embedded system, which is a default which maintains the timing of an operations in sync with a system clock or external clock. Matrix keypad. This is the 4x4 matrix keypad which is commonly used in embedded system. ISR and CLCD. ISR stands for Interrupt Service Routine. An interrupt service routine is a software routine that hardware invokes in response to an interrupt. ISR attends to the request of an interrupting source by clearing the interrupt. CLCD. CLCD stands for Character Liquid Crystal Display. This is used in PICSIMLab. We use two types of display in this, 16:2 display and 16:4 display. Now we will talk about architecture of PICSIMLab. In our project we have used MicroPIC microcontroller of PIC16F877A microcontroller. This is the most re-owned microcontrollers in the industries. This microcontroller is very convenient to use for coding and programming of the microcontroller. One of the main advantages is that it can be write erase as many times as possible because it uses flash memory technology. It has a total number of 40 pins and there are 33 pins for input and output. PIC16F77A is used in many PIC microcontroller projects. This also have much application in digital electronic circuits. PIC16F877A microcontroller find its application in a huge number of devices. It is used in remote sensors, security and for the safety of the devices. It is very flexible and can be used in areas where microcontrollers have never been used before, as in microprocessor applications and timer functions. There are 40 pins in this microcontroller IC. It consists of two 8-bit and one 16-bit timer. Capture and compare modules, serial ports, parallel ports, and 5 input output ports are also present in this. Now we will talk about the conclusion of our project. Microwave processing technology required to learn and understand. Microwave oven will update according to technology and most likely candidates for future production. Scale applications will take full advantages of the unique characteristics of microwave. It seems that solid state radio frequency transistors will one day replace magnetrons in consumer microwave ovens. These new ovens have the potential to be smaller and more energy efficient because they are closed loop system. They can be pricelessly cook food in ways that consumers have not seen before. The future of embedded systems in automobiles and other sectors is immense with the advancements in the computer technology. As the demand for embedded system grows, so does the demand for skilled technicians to maintain and develop them. Now this is the reference from which with the help of Emertxe we have this presentation more wonderful. The future of embedded system is likely to include more integration with the interest of IoT, increased use of AI and machine learning, and the development of more energy efficient and sustainable systems. Now, I want to thank to all the Emertxe team members for giving me this opportunity to present myself and learn brief about the embedded system. Now, I will hand to this to Himanshu Singh who will further tell you about our stimulation of the project.
Hello everyone, I am Himanshu Singh, student of Rajki Engineering College Sonbhadra from Electronics Department. I am currently doing my internship on Embedded System at Emertxe. I am here along with my team members Prachi Sharma and Ritamra Singh to explain the coding and stimulation of our project on microwave oven simulation. So now let's move towards our demonstration of microwave oven. Here we can see we have used two software. First one is MPLAB X IDE and second is PICSIMLab. In PICSIMLab there are multiple number of microcontrollers. First one is MPLAB X IDE. This is used for programming purpose. Here I have written all the codes at main.c file included all these files were there. First we have to create a hex file into the MPLAB X IDE. So we have to build our project. So I just build my project that you can see that build is successful and there is no any error and warnings, and loading is also completed. For the simulation purpose we will select PIC16F877A microcontroller. In it we will load our hex file. So I uploaded the hex file on PicSimLab. Yeah, you can see that our microcontroller is on, and first of all, it's start the powering on microwave oven, and we can see the powering on code from here. Mm, yeah, powering on code. Then it will jump into the cooking mode like this. First one is micro mode, second one is grill mode, third one is convection mode. So we will see all these mode one by one in detail. So let's enter the micro mode. So from code you can clearly see that uh, if we press key 1 in matrix keypad, or micro mode operation will on. So now we'll see. I have just pressed the key 1. Yeah, you can see here power 900 watt, and our micro mode is on. And in micro mode there are timer in which you can set the time of micro mode. So we will select like 5 seconds, and clearing the hash. Yeah, you can clearly see that our microwave oven has started. uh, and our second mode is grill mode, and coding clearly we can see that. Mm, yeah, if we press Q2 our grill mode is on. So if we press key 2, yeah, you can clearly see that our grill mode is on, and here timer is shown. In this you can select the timing for grill mode, and after entering the hash you can on this. Yeah, you can clearly see that grill mode is on, and after 5 seconds grill mode is off. And now our third mode is convection mode. As we know that the convection mode is important mode in microwave oven, and we can clearly see that if we press key 3 our convection mode is on. So we will see if we press key 3. Yeah, in convection mode you can see the convection mode. In convection mode we will select the temperature. We will select the temperature. And from coding, mm, yeah, we can clearly see that our coding for convection mode. Hmm. If our temperature is greater than 250, so buzzer will on, and it shows failure. So we will see if we enter temperature greater than 250, then you can clearly see the voice of buzzer. So now we will press the temperature less than 250. So I will press 200 degree Celsius. So now you can see that preheating is on, and re- uh, time remaining is 15 seconds. So in every mode, if there is oven's door beyond, then it gives the warning that oven's door is open, please turn off the oven. Mm, you can clearly see the coding. Yeah, if door is open, buzzer will on or fan will off, or door status open. Mm, so we can clearly see that. Yeah, you can clearly see the voice of buzzer. Door status open, please close. So with the help of these two tools, we can simulate our microwave oven, and in MPLAB X IDE we can use different types of sections. It is very reliable software, so anyone can use and anyone can edit the code easily. Then uh, here we have main.c file as well as header files main.h. Yeah, main.h file, and the function variable that are used here, it is declared in main.c file. In the matrix keypad, all the things are related to matrix keypad here are written, and in the timers, all the things are related to timers are written here, and CLCD, this is like the main.h used uh, for main file, and also its header file clcd.h is used. So I will end here, and I want to thanks to all the Emertxe team members for giving me this wonderful opportunity to present myself and learn about embedded system. Thank you all.